I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop your Android device's Bluetooth from turning on automatically the next day after you disable it. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Settings options are shown. Step 2. Tap Connected Devices in this menu. Associated options are displayed. Step 3. Scroll down this menu and then tap Connection Preferences. You'll land on the Connection Preferences screen. Step 4. Tap Bluetooth in this menu. Bluetooth options are shown. Step 5. Tap to toggle off Automatically Turn On Tomorrow. Going forward, whenever you disable Bluetooth, it won't automatically be turned on again the next day. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.